Okay, guys, so some of you have been complaining about glute tightness and into the tops of the IT band and into the lower back, into your QL muscle, your quadratus lumborum. So for this, I would seat against a wall and you're trying to bring your bottom as near to the wall as you possibly can. You're going to grab a knee from underneath, your right knee for me, and just encourage the leg over to the straight left leg. Then you're going to interlace your fingers around the knee, the bent knee, and just roll your shoulders back because the tendency is to want to twist and lean. So try and bring your shoulder blades back. Now, if you're anything like me, I'm not a dancer, so my shoulders themselves will not come in contact with the wall, but if your shoulder blades do, that's fine. Interlace the fingers around the bent knee and you're simply going to give it a little pull. You will not get much movement, but you will feel a real good stretch into the glute, the IT band and the QL, the lower back. Breathe there, push back against the wall and enjoy the stretch. Have a few deep breaths. When you're ready to come out of this, just interlace the fingers around the calf, guide the leg back, give it a little wobble. When we're doing the outer hip flexor, we want to do the inner hip flexor. So we're just going to let the foot come into the inside of the straight leg. Where you've got a straight left leg, you're going to have a straight left arm. With the other hand, you're going to just encourage the bent knee to come down and again push back with the shoulder blades against the wall. A few nice deep breaths there. And enjoy this stretch into the adductors and the inner hip flexor. The most important thing here is when you want to come out of this stretch, please do not just lift the leg. You will hurt your groin. You want to bring your hand underneath the knee, encourage the knee up and let the knee place back down. And you're going to do exactly the same for the opposite side. So now I'm doing my left side, using my hands to guide my left leg over my straight right leg, interlacing the fingers around my left knee, rolling back with the shoulders and pushing the shoulder blades back against the wall and pulling with the knee over in the opposite direction to create the stretch on my left side. Have a few deep breaths there. Once you're ready, bring your hands around your calf, guide the leg back round. You're going to do the inner hip flexors and the adductors. So if you have slid, bring your bottom back towards the wall. Have your hand, your right arm with your straight right leg. And just push your left hand onto the bent knee and bring your shoulder blades back to the wall again. Have a few nice deep breaths there and feel the stretch in the adductor and the inner hip flexor. When you're ready, make sure you're bringing your hand underneath the left knee to guide it up and relax and give yourself a little wall.